Oh my gosh, this is about to hurt so way more painful. Bad. Dude, I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this.
Hi guys, and surprise guys, I cut my hair again. I know, don't crucify me. We'll talk about why later. Anyways, today's video is all about box braids. I decided to go ahead and get some box braids for back to school, and I have not had box braids in my hair for 3 years. It's been that long, you guys. So I decided to go ahead and ask my sister, who is a hairstylist here in Minnesota, to do my hair for me. All of her information will be down in the description bar below in case you would like to book her for any appointments in the near future. But anyways, yes, this was an experience. It was painful, but it was all worth it, and I decided to record the whole thing for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy. I will be popping in and out just to kind of voice over what she's doing for those of you who would like to learn, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, so stay tuned if you would like to see this madness. Okay guys, I'm gonna hop back in at this point kind of to explain what she's doing. Right now she's separating the hair, and she's separating it apart and stretching it out to give the extensions a little bit of length so that my braids are long, because I told her that I wanted them pretty long. And as you could see before, she braided underneath with a little piece of extension before she braided this full braid over top. So she does that method for people with hair texture like mine who want our braids to look very neat, and it allows for less tension and pull on the hair. So she goes underneath with that itty bitty piece, and then she goes back on top with the full braid, and then she's just gonna braid it throughout. I really hope that makes sense, you guys. I'm not a professional at explaining hair, to be honest, but I'm gonna show another clip where she's doing the same thing again, just so you can kind of see again what I was explaining to you before.
Baby, this is tragic, cause we had it. We was magic. I was trying, now I'm crashing. This is bad, real bad, Michael Jackson. Now I'm mad, real mad, Joe Jackson. Usually your boyfriend now, I'ma ask him.
So here she's going to start wrapping the gold yarn around my hair, and she starts on top of the braid and then she wraps it around back, crosses it over, and wraps it around back again. So she continues crossing it over front and over back until she reaches the end. When she reaches the end, you're going to see her tie it off and burn with a lighter the end of the yarn, just so that it stays in place. And you can pick up this yarn at your nearest beauty supply store or buy it on Amazon, because Amazon honestly has everything.
Here's the final look. I just did my makeup. I didn't record this makeup look, unfortunately, but I love how this turned out. I am loving my braids. My sister slayed, like she slayed my hair. And thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. I'll see you in another video. Mwah! Stay blessed.